welcome to Acupuressure in Labour for Pain Relief. I'm Dr. Alex Perry from the Perry Centre here in Canberra, Australia, and I wanted to do a really quick introduction to what is acupressure in labour and why would you do it. Now, in the clinic we work with a lot of patients from a fertility perspective and from a women's health perspective, and we really enjoy helping pregnant women particularly, so it's a great part of my job in the clinic is to help pregnant women. And acupressure in labour is a great resource and tool for your partner particularly to help you through labour, and there are two ways that we do it. We have two particular pathways. The first part is that what we describe as birth preparation, and birth preparation is about encouraging your body to do what it's going to do anyway, get closer to going to labour, getting closer to birth your baby. But we know that not every woman goes into labour on time or within reasonable time, so we want to make sure we do whatever we can to encourage that to happen. And interestingly enough, by pressing some specific acupoints in a very specific way does certainly help to promote your body to move closer to labour. So when we're talking about acupressure in pregnancy, we're really talking about that first component of preparing for birth. So birth preparation is incredibly important. The second factor we look at is that, you know, as a father and a partner, I know how challenging it can be to be in the hospital with your partner while they are labouring and during that birth process, particularly if you don't have something practical to do. So one of the great things about this program is that it really maximises the partner support. So what we do is we train you as the partner up so that you are skilled and tooled up, so that when it's time to go into labour, you are not just going to be a kind of a scared bystander, as I certainly was when we had our first child, or our first child was being born, but you can be an active participant, a useful participant, and in fact you can be a massive support to your partner in that labour process. So that reason alone is a really powerful reason to learn this stuff and to help us take you through that program. And the third part, and perhaps the most important part for you as the woman, is natural pain relief. So remember I said right at the beginning we're going to split the program into two: birth preparation, and then the second part is once you're in labour. So we're going to use acupressure to help with pain relief, which is a great thing. So it doesn't matter what your birth plan is or what you end up doing, acupressure is a really great tool to take with you into the hospital and while you're labouring at home, and even in the weeks leading up to you going into labour, to help support that process. And it's all about getting the best possible birth outcome. So if that sounds good to you, then I suggest you jump on board and come to one of our great seminars. It's a good opportunity to meet other women who are pregnant. A lot of the women that come have also been doing prenatal yoga with my wife Rebecca through Canberra Prenatal Yoga. And if you're afar, if not even in Canberra, or perhaps not even in Australia, you can jump onto one of our online courses and learn this stuff for yourself. Incredibly practical, incredibly useful, very easy to learn, good fun to practice, a great way of bringing you and your partner together. So remember three things: preparing for birth, getting the most out of your birth partner, or if you are the birth partner, making sure you're getting the most out of yourself, and also natural pain relief during labour. So go to it, sign up for a course, and we look forward to meeting you very soon. Bye for now.